Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for South Central Lake County in East Central Florida, Southwestern Orange County in
Tornado
East Central
warning! Holy
Florida
crap!
until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Louisa, 8 miles southwest of Winter Garden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
Which one?
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Winter Garden and Windermere around 8:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Apopka, Okori, and Orla Vista around 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lockhart and Pine Hills around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Butler. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving